Hey class, I just wanted to give you a brief overview of many of the different functions we'll use in Google Spreadsheet. So here is what it looks like. You might have some data here and computing averages, sums, that sort of thing. Um, and here are the commands you type in. I'll go over how to do that momentarily. First off, let's create a new sheet. So your Google Drive might look something like this. I hit create spreadsheet. Okay, now we're going to enter in some data. I'm not going to just copy off the data I had before. So I'll click over back to this window, highlight all these things, control copy, control paste, and there it is. So if I wanted to compute the average of all those numbers, I type average, and there's two ways I can do this. Generally, if it's a small table, I'll just highlight all the numbers I want, close those parentheses, and hit enter. I could also type that in directly. So I type average A1 colon A11, close parentheses, and it gives you the same thing. Note that it's, because I'm working through a range of numbers, I'm going to put a colon there. So that was your average. You can do similar things to compute the sum of a whole bunch of numbers, standard deviation, that sort of thing. Notice that anytime I highlight a cell, it'll kind of tell me what I typed in this cell. Things change a little bit when you're talking about your first or your third quartiles. Notice I type in percentiles, as discussed in the book, A1 through A11, but you also have this extra argument here, 0.25. For quarter 3, as you may imagine, it's going to be 0.75. That represents, remember, quarter 1 is the cutoff for the first 25% of your data. Quarter 3 is for the first 75% of the data. So that's how that works. Okay, this sheet here will be available in the shared folder on Drive, so you can check it out and to run any type of exercise you need to do. Of course, you can email me if you have any questions. Good luck.